The question is, what can bruxism cause? The gaps between the teeth may increase and the teeth may mobilize. When the person opens and closes his mouth, sounds might be heard from the joints. Due to pressure on the teeth, fractures may occur in the teeth or fillings. Cystic formations may occur in the tooth roots due to the minor traumas. The teeth may become more sensitive due to the abrasion of the tooth surface due to the continuous friction of the tooth. And if this situation continues, even more, the nerves might be seen from the surface of the tooth as well. Although jaw joint pains occur, we may face pain reflected in the ear, eye, tooth, and head area. First, the pain it causes may be muscle pain. When the person ignores these all feelings and it continues, they wake up early in the morning and they may feel that there is a sand in his mouth. The sand is originated from the tooth surface materials. This abrasion is due to the tooth or tooth filling parts being worn out.